If you were looking to connect multiple Facebook pages with one GoHighLevel account to leverage the power of lead nurturing, automations, and synchronizing your leads, you've come to the right place. My name is Osama, and in this video, I'm going to show you how can you connect multiple Facebook pages to your GoHighLevel, synchronize those leads, and how to connect them into your workflows or filter conversations based on the page. So let's dive into my GoHighLevel sub account, and I'll show you how to configure it. All right, so I'm in my sub account, and I'm going to head over to settings on the bottom left, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to where it says integration. So let's click on that. And in a few moments, we'll see the Facebook option right here. So right now I have no linked Facebook pages. I do have my Facebook account connected, but I haven't selected the pages. So let's go ahead and click on select pages. If you do not see it this way, then it is possible that you haven't connected your Facebook at all. So you'll just click on that and then you will see this option. So we'll go ahead and click on select pages here. And in a few moments, it should give us the options to choose pages. So you can see it is loading up, and I have two pages under my profile. So I'm going to select both of them here. And then you will also see the synchronization type or time. And from here, we can select all leads or new leads only. I only want to synchronize the new leads from these pages. So I'll select that option for both of these. And once I'm done, I'm going to click on update here. And within a few seconds, these two pages will be connected to our GoHighLevel account. So next, we can do field mapping as well. If you're already running lead form ads into these pages, you will see them here. I do not have any ads running at this point, but if I was, this will show the form mapping here, which you can do easily, right? So if I go back to integrations now, you will see that I have two pages connected. So now if I go back here to conversations, you will see I've sent a couple of test messages to both of these pages where we'll see those conversations here. So if we can apply a filter here, I'll do that. Click on Facebook here, and then click on apply, and now you'll see that we have both conversations here. So if I select this one, it will tell us the page that this is going to the first one, and if I open this conversation up, we'll see that this is coming in from the second page. So we have both pages connected, and if anybody messages us on this, we will be able to track that under the conversations and do back and forth. And next up, you can also utilize the pages in filters for your triggers inside of workflows. So if I click on this and we go to Facebook lead form submitted, we can select the page from here. So you can see both of the pages that we connected are available here. So we can choose any one of these, apply more filters if you need to, like, form is. If you have a form created, you will get that on this page. And once you're happy with the settings, you can click on save trigger and then create workflows based on your pages as well. So that was about this video. Again, you can make use of this if you run multiple Facebook pages under your brand and you want to connect all of them and collect the leads into it and nurture them under one single sub account. This is Sama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.